All right, here is a quick demonstration of how to get RoboDk up and running together with Spyder. As an example, I will use the do weld example as they have in RoboDk. Basically, it does something like this: goes down and draws a hexagonal pattern before it goes back to where it belongs. That is the original. And in order to get it running with Spyder, first of all, I would really recommend to install a separate environment. The reason for using a Conda runtime environment is not to mess up other environments that you might have. I won't cover this in this section, but the first thing you need to do is to run pip install to get the RoboDk package in your library. So it's a pip install a RoboDk. I'll move myself out of the way. RoboDk. It should install nicely. I'm going to get an error message on this because I already have it installed. Yeah, that is the number one. Compared to the old do weld, you will see that we don't have the star import that we had originally. I'll show you the difference. You can find my code in my GitHub account under Python and RoboDk. The file we're working on is this one. It has the following history, one revision, and we can compare. Let's see, this one, original, this one, there we go. And the difference is we have removed the import star, and the robo link is now under the RoboDk. So we do it like this: from RoboDk import robolink, and we also import RoboMath in order to do some mathematical stuff. We get the robolink by referring it in this way. So we have introduced the robolink here to get this item type. Otherwise, a lot of the code is the same. We get the home and target. This is just some debug stuff, not necessary. And we have introduced the namespace here, RoboMath. So POSREF, the pi is collected from RoboMath, and also the rot, zeth, and transl functions is collected from RoboMath. So it needs to be referenced in this way. Otherwise, a lot of the code is basically the same. And if we then run it in Spyder, it should be something like this. So if everything works, it should be simply a matter of pressing play, and we can now see that Spyder is actually the one in control, connecting to the RoboDk via the RoboLink, which actually connects to the simulator. And that should do the stuff. So it's kind of just press play and it does the moves. Funky stuff.